there. Ayan.
Videoin ko kaya kayong dalawa. Para maiba naman.
Ayan. Hi, Julian.
Hi.
Congrats, you have an upcoming concert.
Thank you. Yes.
Ayun. Ano ba ang medyo iba this time for In Control?
Madaming bago. Madaming iba kasi yung mga guests, tapos yung music, of course, I'll be singing my own music din. Yung mga nagawa ko na, tsaka yung, siguro yung isa sa mga bago na kasama sa upcoming album. May mga pasabog ulit. Basta, sobrang exciting to. Kasi 10th year anniversary.
Oo, congrats sa...
At the same time, parang birthday celebration ko na din. Kasi 3 days before my birthday concert.
Ayun. Napansin ko, guess mo ang G-Force.
Yes.
So may mga ganong hataw
I'm really
ba?
excited kasi first time ko mag-perform with them.
Personal choice mo ang G-Force.
Actually, nagulat din ako. Actually, sila. Kasi parang gusto nila iba naman daw. Nagulat din ako nung nalaman ko na sila pala yung mga kasama ko sa concert. Sobrang happy ako.
If you will dedicate a song to your fans for In Control concert, pwede ba siya i-spoil now or surprise na lang? Ay, sayang
Basta
naman.
surprise, may song ako for them.
How about the new album?
Sa new album, I don't know. Meron. Meron. But it's...
Parang patikim ba ito?
Parang patikim. Ganun.
Ayun.
Meron din sa concert na.
At least, super excited. Congratulations on your
Thank
10th
you
year.
so much.
Pastak tayo.
Okay.
Okay. Ice creams or chocolate?
Oh my God. Chocolate. Sorry.
Makeup or clothes?
Clothes.
Matangkad o sakto lang?
Matangkad.
Mestizo o moreno?
I don't know.
Text or tawag?
Depende. Hindi ko alam kasi hindi ako matawag na person More on text talaga ako
Hugs or kisses?
Hugs.
Instagram, Twitter, or Snapchat?
Instagram.
Tosilog o tapsilog?
Both.
Akbay or holding hands?
Oh my God, what is this question? Akbay or holding hands? Akbay.
Sing a song now for your loved ones.
Sing a song. Cause every day we belong together, always and forever. Call my name and I'll be there.
First thing you do pagkagising?
I pray.
First thing you get inside the fridge?
What? Sorry.
Inside the ref, ano yung una mo kinukuha?
Everything.
Pick a team, Captain America or Iron Man?
Iron Man.
Kanino ka huling kinilig?
Wait lang. Wala, hindi ko maalala. Wala.
Favorite is-talk sa Instagram?
Wait lang, kay Mama tsaka kay Papa.
Okay. Safe.
Okay. No, that's true.
Last like sa Instagram?
Last like sa Instagram, it's a quote? Wala ba? Hindi ko maalala Basta quote siya.
Ayan. When was the last time you said na ang sexy ko talaga?
Hindi ko alam.
walang ganong moment.
Walang ganon.
When was the last time you lie?
I lied. No. Araw-araw nagsisinungaling ako Joke.